something talaga for me to avoid yung pagiging burnout ay traveling. May it be this weekend travel or mga piso fare na months and months pa kasi that's something na I look forward to.
So for every episode that we have our hashtag Ask Ann portion where we answer listener questions. So if may question ka, post it on our socials or group, Act to Achieve PH. Use the hashtag Ask Ann, and you might be the next question we're answering in the next episode. This question is from Clara. What are some strategies or advice na mabibigay ninyo to manage yung stress and avoid burnout, especially when you are juggling the demands of your work and your home life as a breadwinner? So, Aya, meron ka bang tip dyan for Clara?
Good question, Clara. Ang something talaga for me to avoid yung pagiging burnout ay traveling. May it be this weekend travel or mga piso fare na months and months pa kasi that's something na I look forward to. It keeps me going. Okay, may countdown ka few weeks before the trip. So, ganyan. Another alternative could be finding a hobby. So, there was a point na naghahalaman ako. Nakausap yung mga halaman ko, ganyan. It could be just watching K-drama or maging plantita o tumakbo, ganyan, umakyat ng bundok. So, kailangan meron kang ibang ginagawa to feed your soul. Kasi, importante yon para hindi mo ma-feel na pagod ka na. Ganyan. Ayun.
That's so nice. And yun yung takeaway for me, siguro, yung find what feeds your soul. Kasi like for you, nahanap mo siya sa K-drama, sa pagiging plantita, 'di ba? Like for me,
Mm.
it's writing. Like pagka nasi-stress ako, na-overwhelm ako, or feeling ko mababurnout na ako, kailangan ko lang isulat lahat ng nararamdaman ko, ng emosyon ko. Kasi parang yun yung way ko to process and to get clarity kung ano ba yung next step na gagawin ko para maiwasan ko yung burnout. So, yun, find what fills your soul. Yan, ganda
Yan.
naman yan.